If you're broke in college and need to bring mashed potatoes to the Friendsgiving, this video is for you. This is 100% free. All you're going to need is a big bag, a dining hall pass, access to a kitchen, a knife, and a Ziploc bag. So the first step is you're going to go to the dining hall, you're going to grab you some butter, you're going to grab a salt and pepper shaker, and you're going to grab a bottle of milk. I personally prefer Perrier seltzer bottles to put in my milk because it leaves a mineral taste to the mashed potatoes. Next, you're going to go to the nearest grocery store to you, you're going to find some potatoes you like and any other supplies you need. I went ahead and grabbed a measuring cup, tablespoon, serving spoons, some small saucepan, large pot, and potatoes, but it's possible to do this with just the potatoes. Next up, you're going to want to fill the large pot with water and set it to a high temperature. While you're waiting for the water to boil, you can peel potatoes with your hunter's knife. When the water's boiling, you should be good to add the potatoes in, and you can leave it for about 15 minutes, occasionally adding salt and pepper. You know that the potatoes are done when you can stab a knife straight through it and pierce the center. Once this happens, you can go ahead and drain the potatoes, and then in a separate dish, you're going to mix milk and butter, and then you're going to boil that for about 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes is up, you're going to go ahead and add the milk solution to the potatoes, and then you're going to stir really well. Next, you're going to want to get your hunter knife and just stab vigorously at the potatoes. Once the potatoes are stabbed to little chunks, you can go ahead and add them in a little Ziploc bag. Now you can go ahead and just get your bare hands and just start beating the hell out of them. When the Ziploc bag feels soft with no bumps in it, you should be good, and you can go ahead and add it back to the bowl. You're going to go ahead and use a spoon and beat them even more in the bowl, or if you don't have a spoon, you could also use your hands. Whenever they look like mashed potatoes and they look yummy to eat, you can go ahead and add them in a Ziploc bag, and the recipe is finished.